G'day, I'm Tim McMahon. I'm a flashlight enthusiast from Australia, and today I've got the Nitecore HA23. So it takes 3 AAA batteries or a lithium-ion battery pack. This currently has 3 alkaline batteries in it, so you can just open it up, and there's the 3 batteries. You've got a nice elastic band with some reflective Nitecore branding on the side here. And you've got 4 main emitters, so they can change between neutral white, warm white, and cool white. So you can chuck that on. It's on neutral white, warm white, and cool white. You can also change it to red, so hold it down and go from low to high. And you've got a bunch of like strobe and beacon and different kinds of modes like that. So this can actually swivel down and it clicks into place as it's swiveling. So yeah, really comfortable this is. So let's go and check it out in action. So this has a range of about 132 meters and it can pump out 600 lumens. So I measured just over 600 lumens, about 680, and the range was about 133 meters. So yeah, 132 is what it says on the box, and it's pretty accurate when I measured it. I really like I can change to warm, cool, and then back to neutral. It's really cool. Okay, so this is what you get in the box. Here's the box here. You've got the specifications on the side. Easily does 600 lumens. Got 132 meters of throw, the beam distance. So it's a nice eco-friendly style of box. We've got this information booklet about the multi-color temperatures. So you've got that warm white, neutral white, and cool white. So you've got 3000 Kelvin, 4500 K, and 6500. Cool. Got a warranty card, a clip. So this just attaches to the back of this. So you can slip the headband out. It's got this really comfortable headband, stretchy and reflective. So you've got that reflective tape, really shines bright when you've got headlamps shining at it. So this is the clip, it just attaches to that. And you can put it in one of two orientations. So you can attach that to a backpack or something. You've got the two buttons, the on button and the mode button. So I can change the color temperature. So you can go double click for ultra low, click mode to change the color temperature between neutral, warm and cool. You can just click to change between the brightness levels. Hold the mode button for red, click that one for low and high. Can click for a battery status indicator. So just hit the mode button, it tells you the battery status. And we can use the beacon, so I think it's double click. So it changes to a SOS. We've got a strobe and then a red flashing mode. That's pretty much it for the UI. You can lock it out and whatnot, that's fine. You can adjust the angle and it clicks into place with that little joint there. So it holds fairly well. It's got really nice TI optic. It's, yeah, really, really good. You can take some alkaline cells, 1.5 volt. I've got these ones in it. I actually don't like using alkaline cells because over time you might end up finding that they leak. So I much prefer to use rechargeable batteries. So just use some 1.2 volt NIM cells, so Eneloops, quite popular. Or you can get the battery pack, which is like a lithium-ion battery pack from Nitecore. That's, yeah, much prefer to use the rechargeable batteries instead of using alkaline primary cells. I've also got this little bag, so you can chuck everything in there, or you could use it as like a diffusing bag. So one way of doing that is to face it upwards and then pop that over the top if you want to use it as like a lantern at nighttime on a table or something. I'll go ahead and put this back in. So I'll line up the name. So that just pops in. There is a little mark there that I can line up. So there we go. Now it's all centered. And you can adjust this. This does detach completely, so you could take it out and wash it, but I've got this currently configured to fit my head. Comes in a nice blue. There is a standard black and yellow branded, like Nitecore branded version of this. But yeah, the quality of this is really nice. It's not something that feels cheap. It feels like it's a decent quality, and I really like the multicolor temperature LEDs that they've used here. It just, yeah, it's really nice to be able to switch to the warm white and the neutral. Even cool gives you a nice amount of throw. But yeah, the quality feels really, really good. I've been using this for about a month or so, and it's just come in really handy going through like a shipping container to pack up some stuff, and fixing a car battery at night time. I had to, yeah, just remove some corrosion, and I was using this as well, like just to try and help see what I was doing. But yeah, it came in quite handy. I was sweating quite a lot and this acted a bit like a sweatband. But yeah, you can find this on the official Nitecore website. Yeah, I'd really recommend it. It's the Nitecore HA23. If you want something a bit more slimline and like really thin, maybe the Nitecore NU27. So you can see a review of the HA23 on my website, and you've also got the NU27 review up there too. The NU27 is a much more slimline version, but it has a built-in battery. Like, one main advantage of this one is it allows you to have rechargeable batteries, but you can also just put in really common AAA 1.5 volt cells. So it's, yeah, much more convenient to be able to change the batteries on these ones, and you can probably use this for a lot longer. You might get 5 or 10 years out of it if you're able to just swap out the batteries instead of having an internally built battery that you can't remove. So I'd highly recommend checking out the Nitecore HA23. Thanks for watching.